made it onto the court record.
This
That
girl.
sidebar again discussed similar issues of if the defendant brings in evidence or testimony that she
act like she ain't even married, murdered 4 people.
no
I'm just so confused on her attitude.
Specific acts of
He's just trying to tell her, don't open the door, and she don't get it.
Could open the door to other things that she may not want the door open to.
Right.
The state, the defendant, and advisory council were at the bench when we had that short 1 minute sidebar, but I don't know if anyone wants to supplement the record on that. Ms. Kay?
Just, Your Honor, that again, the state did raise any issue of character evidence under 404A and 405, that if the defendant opens the door and tries to advise that she is a good person, a peaceful person, a kind person, a loving person, any of those other types of things, that we believe that would allow us under 405 to then bring in specific
She's a
acts,
mess. That's
such
what
as
she
the murder
is,
of
honey.
her children, her husband, and her current husband's wife.
All right.
Whoa.
Which would also be 404B that they withdrew.
No, it would be 405.
Yeah, they withdrew it, but if you bring up 404 that you...
Then all
She
404B is
don't
in, or do we
know
get a
what she
hearing on
thinks
what
she should
404B
know.
can come in? If I open the door, do I get a hearing? We stop trial and I get a hearing on...
Stop. We'll have a very short hearing, okay? If you're going to introduce how you have great character and good character, we're going to have a short hearing on what evidence that they can bring in to rebut that character, which could
Okay.
include being convicted of 4 murders.
And
So,
would you
talk
like...
to your advisory council during the break. And
You don't
maybe
need to yell at me either.
yell
I'm...
at you.
Oh.
Yeah, you are, and you do not need to talk
Okay,
to me that way. I'm
take her
very
out.
courteous.
Take her out.
Oh.
I'm very courteous to you.
Bro, no, you have been nothing near courteous to me during the course of these proceedings. Talk with your advisory
know that's
council
right,
about
Judge.
the rest of your cross. We're going to resume in 15
She's
minutes.
a mess. And that's the problem. She can't get her way. And she used to getting her way, but she don't understand she in jail for the rest of her life. Get a clue, okay? Get a clue and get a life. She's a mess. Don't forget to click and subscribe to Auntie Laura.